it's okay, stand here and introduce the future.
Yeah, please, yeah.
The reason we're here is for the future. This is the future. And this is a repurposed shelf that we found in the alley.
We have a program called Emerging Leaders. Emerging Leaders is a program committed to empowering people in communities.
I'm the chair of the Young Professional Committee, and I'm the founder of Pan-African Trade and Services, which acts as a bridge between Africa and the rest of the world. So I come with a lot of resources. We have new initiatives by President Obama. One is called the Young African Leaders Initiative.
From our research, we created a multimedia entertainment technology business incubator in downtown Los Angeles, in the historic core, in the old part, in the bad part, where nobody wanted to be.
And my grandson Zachary helped us bring it home, and we gave it to my granddaughter after we looked at Marcella Oliva and Michael Rendler's Venn diagrams about how we map our communities. And I showed the Venn diagram to my granddaughter with all the different, the academic, the public, private, nonprofit, faith-based, academic, and media organizations in all of Greater LA County.
I'm Lisa Sprinkles. I'm a grant writer and fund developer, and I serve Emerging Leaders Academy as their grant writer and fund developer. I've been doing this for 17 years. I've successfully raised $12 million.
We just published our first book last month, and we're pretty excited about that. We have a book signing tomorrow.
Where does he come from? How does he see the world? And how does that impact you? So we get some healing behind that as well. And my experiences as a probation officer, you know, and in this book is about 8,000 interviews that I've done with these clients.
And Alexa, have you got any idea how we can pull these things together? And I gave her a pencil and this board, and I went away, and then I came back, and she had penciled this in, and I asked her what it was about, and she said,
the yin-yang, and balance, and disorder.
okay.
And I hope that in some project related to the Korean population in Korea, or related to the acupuncture, then I hope that I can be helpful.
Robert Doman, I'm a graduate and alum from the Saul Price School on the university campus, what is actually now known as the Saul Price. I'm an advisor to the gallery and also chair of our public policy committee. So we've been trying to reach out to our elected officials when we have artists here, and helped arrange to get certificates from some of our key elected officials.
What does the circle area represent on that end?
The yin, and it's peace, order, everything's just going around and around in a circle. There's nothing new that's happening. It's peaceful.
This is amazing that I get to sit here and see the relationship building effect, how it works, because I saw synergy, I saw connectedness between all these individuals, and thought, you know, you have to be here, you have to be here, you have to be here, because everybody's here for the same purpose and the same cause, and that is to live in a loving, happy, joyous community and world, peace, nonviolence, and I specialize in all those areas, so that's who I am.
To participate with the community, doing business development and marketing, and assisting, how do you say, unemployed veterans, abused, unwed mothers, because like all of us, I think the thing that really sets us on our journey is the story behind that, as you were saying, Clive.
And this one?
That side is disorder, destruction, and chaos. Chaos, frustration, and the line in the middle, with the rainbow on it, I guess, is the crossroads. I like
The crossroads between the old and the new.
Yeah. kind of when the yin and the yang are put together.
To shift our discussion in media, in the media ecosystem, to change it from a media ecosystem of war and lack and difficulty of learning to one of joy and peace and celebration of learning for each person everywhere in the world.
See, in the yin there's a little bit of black, and in the yang there's a little bit of white. That is to show there's a little bit of chaos in the order and a little bit of order in the chaos.
Thank you so much. Okay, you can take that and go. Thank you. Okay, so to sum up, because I'm sure everybody kind of wants to keep moving on and everything, but I'd like to see if everybody agrees that sort of one of the things we've heard is that we need leaders. We've all tried things, we've shown them to people. If we've shown them to people with some vision, they've taken our thing and gone off with it, and then whatever they took didn't work anyway because they didn't know how it got formed. Looking at you and helping you. And yes, we do want to go on the org chart higher than we are and get the people who are effective and already have money. But there's nobody, I don't care how much money they've got, that they have everything they want. And in fact, the people who have a lot of money seem to want more than we want. Almost impossible to ask for. You just watch these horrible things on television. I don't want to see another mother's child being killed and her crying on TV every night. And you guys are the ones who can stop that. This is the strength there. And then the gaming that we can give them, and the businesses, and the love and care and communication. We had a great forum here with all these young people that came in today. Say, where do we want that person to be 8 years from now? And then make our choices today so that we're prepared 8 years from now to be who we want to be.